My God, they've started. I posted a video on YouTube. Darlington's had a storm cloud over the top, done bugger all day. Posted a video on YouTube and Lancaster's getting hammered with air raids now. Sorry, Lancaster. Sorry it's so wobbly. It's on full zoom. Anyway, might be able to get a still out of that, but as we zoom out with my Vic. Sooner or later we zoom out. Look at that fucking mess. Sorry Lancaster, I posted a video on YouTube and this is what happens. I guess they know me now. As you can see, they've gone bloody ballistic in Lancaster. Been well and truly hit with air raids. And for those of you that think that's normal water vapour, bloody wake up. I won't mention your name. The last person who decided to spout off about it. Wake up. That isn't normal. Unless you like a chemical breakfast. And over there there's a new one appeared. I think it is anyway. Horizontal. Just zoom in on one. Hopefully my brick will oblige. It does seem rather convenient timing though. Just been chatting with our lass in Darlington. She said a dark cloud came over and the lights came on about 4 o'clock. Street lights. Said a couple of specks of rain. I'll get some harp or whatever it is up there. I posted a video on YouTube of all that crap in Lancaster. I come out for a fix, or a fag, or whatever you want to call it, smoke, and find all this going on. There's another plane coming over now. Let's see if he starts. One sec. Bear with me, I smoke so much because I waste the damn things. As it just goes behind there. Now it's starting leaving a trail with the look of it. Could be wrong, let's see. It's not very good at focusing. So please bear with me. And on full zoom I am rather shaky, as you just noticed. I'm rather shaky when I'm not on full zoom, to be honest. That's a medical condition, but I can't help that. He's leaving bits of trails. I'll zoom out, there's no point in trying. But yeah, it started leaving a trail, as you can see. The snot rocket again. I might actually go in and this time I'll take a photograph to show which airline is responsible for this one, if I can do it quick enough. Right, there we have it. That's quite a nasty trail he's left up there. As I go back over that direction, past his trail, just in the distance, looking towards Carnforth, I believe, over that way, at Caton, Halton. They're hitting those clouds with frequencies over there. There's other chem's been left elsewhere. I'm not going right behind me again, it's end up falling over. I'm going to have to actually. Here we go. Right, I can't see what I'm bloody looking at now. I'll zoom out. Right, goes right back round. Yes, there's a massive chemtrail. He's following the track of the other one. As you can see, dirty bloody snot rocket, what a bastard. Anyway, I'm going in. You can see what's going on for yourselves. You can't, well you can when it's in focus. Lancaster's getting air raids. And he's following that trail up there. Sorry the videos are so hit and miss. It's I'm using the eyepiece and I'm balancing on a wall. I've got a physical disability and it's a bit of a struggle doing these. But yeah, the air raids are continuing over Lancaster. Plenty of air raids. There's another air raid going on over this direction. That is looking north-northeast. So that plane's heading up towards the north with the look of it. Over that way. Anyway, I won't try and zoom in on that one. But you can see there's quite a lot going on here. And the people are walking around oblivious to it. Nobody's paying the slightest bit of attention to what's going on above their heads. Nobody's paying the slightest bit of attention to it. Everybody acts as if it's all normal. I don't know. What the hell's happened to humanity? Sick.